Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you don't miss out any update from us. So today we are going to talk on a very interesting topic. How much does it actually cost to build an educational app? Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a teacher who wants to provide notes and more facilities to a student, or you are just curious about these tech things, this video is for all of you. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand everything about educational app, about the cost you will have to pay for the development of the application, about the revenue you will generate from the application, about the features, about the different types of educational apps, and why it's important in this generation. So let's get started. First, before going to the details of cost and types of applications, let's concentrate on what are the benefits of education app and why is it so important. So, educational app has just changed the way we teach and learn. And there are a lot of benefits of educational apps, but we are going to focus on three main benefits, and that too from both point of views, from owners from as well as from the learners. So let's get started. First, we have accessibility and revenue. So here when we have education app, students can learn from anywhere and anytime. The study material is accessible from everywhere. So this is very great for the students who want a flexible schedule or who live in remote areas and want to learn. Talking about the owners can generate a great revenue from different sources, maybe from subscription based models, maybe in-app purchases or advertisements on your application. Next, we have engagement and brand building. In education app, we provide different features from live lectures, from the gamified version of education where it becomes more interesting. The education part becomes more interesting, which increases the engagement of the students on your application. And talking about the owners part, then this engagement is going to help for your brand building. Engagement means students like your application, and here they can help you for advertisements. For mouth-to-mouth advertisements means they'll just directly tell to their friends that I use this app, this is very amazing, the learning has become very interesting. So from all of these, this is helping you to build your brand. Next, talking about efficiency and operational benefits. So, talking about students, this is a very efficient way for them. Here, the process of learning becomes more easier, organized, and they can study very easily now. Talking about the owner, they get an operational benefits. Here in applications, the attendance of the students, their report cards, their grades, everything can be managed in a single application. So the overall operational burden gets cancelled out. So now we have discussed about the benefits. Let's go in details and discuss about types of educational apps, their cost, how much they'll generate, means what would be their revenue, and who should go for which application. First, we have template based apps. So here it's very straightforward and simple application. So here if you want to provide notes or different questionnaires or different type of question papers to your students, you can provide it very easily. It's very simple, and here the example is Google Classroom. So here what happens, teachers can easily provide the notes and assignments on the Google Classrooms and students just receive it. Talking about the cost, it would cost around 30 to 15k or maximum 30k if you want more features, because it's a simple app. Here you just have to go provide your data, while students will just see the PDF version or the text version. It's not that much of hard work. And talking about the revenue you will be generating, so here you can generate revenue from ads and from in-app purchases. Means in ads, obviously you can provide ads on your application, and in-app purchases you can provide all the content to the students for free, and you can provide some premium contents, so students have to buy those contents. That is called in-app purchases. So here you can generate revenue, and if you have a decent user base of 4,000 to 5,000, then you can run around 35 to 40k per month. Next type, we have customized apps. So customized apps are more advanced and flexible version. So here you can provide different and ultimate features to your students, from live lectures, live tests, and you can also raise competition among the students here. You can provide different Olympiads too. You can provide report cards, a live report card where we can show that the student is lacking in this particular subject, these are going great, and what should you improve. So this will increase the overall engagement and will give a user experience which would be great for the students. Talking about the examples, we have examples like Unacademy and Byju's, which provide great features to all the students, and they work on revenue, like they generate revenue through subscription models. So here, talking about revenue, then you can also go for freemium ones, means you can provide a particular amount of content for free, but if the students want the premium content, then they will have to buy your subscription based models. Talking about the cost, then it will cost minimum 40,000 if you want a very simple app, and it will go around 1.5 lakh or even more if you want advanced and great features. Next we have the revenue will be generating. So if you have a decent subscriber amounts of 2,000, you will be generating 50,000 to 1 lakh per month, and it totally depends on your charges. Means if you charge more, then you will have less students, but you will get more from every student. But if you charge less, then you will have more students, will get small amount from each student, but overall you are generating some revenue. Next we have apps designed specifically for schools or institutes. So here we have two types of apps. First is you have your own institution and you want an application for your institute. Here you are not going to generate revenue through your application. Here you will be generating revenue from directly to the students, like who have taken admission, you will be generating revenue from that. Talking about this app, so this application is a single application, and here you will connect to different organizations. You will promote the organizations here. For example, some person or some child has taken admission in this school, and they'll come to this application, they fill their details, their name, their roll number, their school name, school number, and they'll get information about their school or the updates about the school, everything about the school syllabus and everything they need. So here you can generate revenue from the schools or institutes. You can generate revenue through them. Here you will not be generating revenue for an application. The application will help your institute to promote, like this is kind of promotion for your institution. Here you are providing better facilities to students as well as your teachers. The overall operational burden is going to be managed by application, so you will get additional services from this application. This was about the types, two different types. Examples of this type would be Schoology, where you have to register about your school, your name, and you will get the information. And talking about the cost, it can range anything from between 1 lakh to 3 lakh. It totally depends on the features you have. So these were three different types of educational applications. So what should you go for? Which application is best for you? It depends on three main or basic factors: your purpose, features, and budget. So what is your purpose or building this app? Why you want to build this application? So first clear your purpose, what you want to do with this application. Next are features. What amount of features and how many features do you want to provide to your students? For example, if you want some very basic features like providing notes, you should go for template based. But if you want to provide a wide range of features from like Unacademy or Byju's, then you should go for customized apps. Or if you want to provide features like some institute, then you will go for the third option. And talking about the budget, you have to decide what amount will you invest for your application development, which is totally important, because if you have just 30,000 and you want ultimate features, then it's not possible. So first decide your requirements on these three factors. So that's it for today's video, and if you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you don't miss out any update from us. If you have any doubt or you want us to cover some next topic, please comment below, and for more information you can visit our website, which is linked in the description. If you want to contact us directly talking about this educational app or anything related to app development, you can call us directly through the number given in the description box. Thank you and have a great day ahead.